Click subscribe for update video every day.
A proper vacuum has the ability to make tidying up a mere walk in the park, especially with the right attachments and an ability to easily transition from hard floor to carpet. Shark's Rotator-powered lift-away speed vacuum is one floor-to-ceiling capable rig that's compact and dependable, while packing a mean cleaning punch. But should you rush out to your nearest vacuum purveyor, or Amazon, to swoop this up as your new home cleaning companion? To help find a true answer to whether Shark's latest offering is up to snuff or not, we recently took it to task around our office in Portland, Oregon. From how well it handled on carpet to its ability to sufficiently clean up a mess, we pulled no punches regarding the Shark Rotator-powered lift-away speed. Here's what we found during our time with the unit. It's clear Shark designed its Rotator-powered lift-away speed with supreme flexibility in mind. In addition to functioning like a typical vacuum, the speed's handle clicks completely out of the unit itself, granting the ability to slide it under bookcases, across the ceiling, behind chairs, and so on, thanks in part to its comfortable grip. Handling the vacuum in this way never caused much strain. It weighs just over 13 pounds, which adds to its maneuverability. Other attachments include one made specifically for cleaning upholstery, another designed for removing clingy pet hair and dander, and a third dubbed the Dust Away, an attachment adept at what else? Dusting hardwood floors with its attached towel-like duster. During our time with the rig, we put these attachments to the test by vacuuming on hard floors in both thick and thin carpet. Due to the fact we don't have a shop dog or cat running around the office, the attachment we were unable to test in its rightful element was the True Pet Brush. Though it still proved efficient at picking up flour, salt, or dirt from our tested surfaces, it's clear Shark designed its Rotator-powered lift-away speed with supreme flexibility in mind. Aside from attachments, the speed also gives users the ability to choose between hardwood or carpet mode, which either turns on the assistive push motor when on carpet or allows the vacuum to move freely when on hardwood. Construction-wise, Shark primarily built the speed out of ABS and PP plastic. This includes the handle, dust bin, the vacuum,